Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to give you a small update on my licorice. This is Licorice radiata, which I've shown you flowering, and when the flower opens it becomes this beautiful wavy tepals. It has these beautiful wavy tepals, and the old stem is already here with spent flowers, and you can see the leaves are just started to emerge. And this yellow one is called Licorice aurea, and it still has a couple of days to flower, but it also makes these leaves. So you have to protect the leaves from very hard frost, and you can also enjoy the flowers in September and October. And what I'm going to do is to put them in a mildly freezing area in the spots. And because I give away my extra bulbs, I cannot plant them outside because I don't have enough bulbs for them, and they're already started to grow, so maybe next year. Okay, that would be all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.